Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add Discord to Opera GX web browser and use it through Opera GX. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch Opera GX on your desktop computer or your laptop. And all you need to do, guys, is access your sidebar here on your home screen of Opera GX. And here to the left, guys, you will see these options, like for example, settings, extensions, history, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do, guys, is simply right click into your sidebar and select sidebar setup. And after that, head over to that section here. Let me find it. Messengers, and here in messages, guys, click into show more and enable Discord by clicking this into this checkbox that is going to add Discord to Opera GX. You may also click into these three dots and configure these shortcuts, but this will add Discord, as you can see, as a shortcut to your sidebar so that you may click into it and access Discord. And after that, simply log into your Discord account using the Discord app here on Opera GX. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.